usual suspects hear the rough and tumble, or smell the fresh kill. It was Toto's responsibility to position the kill higher. Oh well, Mother saves the day. Another valuable lesson about distraction. Since the early days under the tent, Toto has grown up with the ever-present threat of this particular clan of hyenas. And they have a specific family perfume and very puzzling social arrangements. Surprisingly enough, this is all about mating and winning the attention of the lead hyena female, who they gang up on and attack.